Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Photo Manager and choosing Smart Album. This starts the automation. First, pick a clear base criterion: date, person, keyword, or place, because the rule determines what appears. Once done, make sure syncing or library indexing is enabled so the album updates automatically. You should name the album with an informative tag so you can find it quickly. These steps get you immediate, relevant results without manual sorting, and they set the rules the system will follow. Next, you refine the album by combining filters and logical operators so results match intent. Use and to require multiple conditions and/or to include alternatives. This gives you precise control. Then prioritize by adding weights, say faces first or high ratings, so the smartest items float to the top. Also apply exclusion filters for dates or tags when you want to omit duplicates or irrelevant content. Doing this reduces clutter and ensures the album stays focused on the images you actually care about. To finish, save the Smart Album and review the first set of results to confirm it matches expectations. If you see too many or too few items, tweak your criteria, loosen or rules to broaden, or add exclusions to tighten. Make incremental changes and reevaluate after each tweak so you understand the effect. If the album stops updating, re-index the library or check sync and permissions. These fixes resolve most problems and get your automated collection working reliably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.